Hello, my name is Ajay Arora. I am CEO and founder of Datacom Web Technologies Private Limited. Datacom Web Technologies is a software products company. We are located in Mumbai with offices in Delhi, Chennai and Bangalore. We have been in business for the last 23 years and we focus on providing solutions to the insurance and the financial services intermediary market. Essentially, we develop solutions for the insurance and the financial sector. Over the past 2 decades, our innovative software products have been widely accepted by agents, brokers and distributors of life insurance, non-life insurance, mutual fund and government small savings schemes. We have also been engaged in developing products and solutions for the offshore markets such as US, UK and the Ireland. Datacom has developed several products for the Indian market. Some of the most successful products amongst them are Visual Magic Pro, ECR Magic, Funds Magic, Magic SMS and Magic Portfolio. Datacom has also been a pioneer in providing online insurance information through its portal insuremagic.com. The key objective of our software product is to enhance the productivity of the financial advisor. Our software products enrich their CRM capability, helps them to provide different views of the portfolios to the customers, analyze their business better, manage their prospect database, and last but not the least, it empowers them with compelling sales and advisory presentations. For instance, our Magic Plan Retire and Enjoy in Visual Magic Pro software is a smart objective-driven presentation that automatically creates a combination of insurance products which are best suited to meet the retirement goals of a customer. Similarly, we have a feature called Magic Plan Dreams in Funds Magic. Magic Plan Dreams suggests the right investment pattern to the investor which will help him map his aspirations and dreams to the investment that he is making. Innovations such as these have been instrumental in making our software immensely popular amongst masses. When we started off 23 years ago, a lot of people were apprehensive about the success of our efforts. Some thought that our customers, our target customers, will not be comfortable with the technology, while the others felt that affordability is going to be a major hurdle. We tackled both of them head on. While our training-based business model increased the comfort level of our potential customers towards technology, we simultaneously tackled the affordability issue of the customers. And it is in this pursuit that Intel's innovative products played a very critical role. Intel products have not only augmented our performance and increased efficiencies, but have also enabled us to create far more customer-friendly product at a value-based cost. Our software products have been designed to work on Intel Xeon-based servers, which utilizes 4 processors, and they have been specifically architected to take advantage of Intel's multi-core processing technology. Our applications are threaded in 4 cores, and hence they offer the advantage of parallel processing. With 23 years of product development and deployment experience, Datacom is reckoned as a leader in providing technology solutions to the insurance and financial services intermediaries. With a network of more than 200 channel partners in India, we have a footprint pan-India. Today we are proud to say that more than 50,000 insurance and financial advisors run their business using solutions provided by Datacom. To know more about our company, visit our website www.datacomwebtech.com.